Hello guys, what's up? My name is Sunny and in today's video we're gonna talk about productivity. So are you a person who is trying to be productive? Are you a person who's trying to accomplish more in less time? Then you come to the right video. Stay tuned till the end. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Cut your to-do list in half. Getting things done during your workday shouldn't mean fitting in doing as much as possible in the sanctioned 8 hours. Do you really need those 30 tasks on your to-do list? Take a less is more approach to your to-do list by only focusing on accomplishing the things that matter. Number 2. Take more breaks. The ache in your brain after 7 long hours of work should be a signal to take a break. Since your brain has used up its glucose, give yourself a moment to refresh by going for a walk, grabbing a lunch or a snack, or just meditating. You'll come back recharged and ready to achieve greater efficiency. Number 3. Follow the 80-20 rule. Only 20% of what you do each day produces 80% of the results. Eliminate the things that don't matter during your workday. They have a minimal effect on your overall productivity. For example, break your next project into steps and systematically remove tasks until you end up with the 20% that gets the 80% of the results. If you like this video, share and